Now I think this is running. But is it really on? Jesus Christ. Okay. Better be off running. Hello everybody. Welcome back to the show. This time without Mandy. I had to let her go. She was a great disappointment. She was exposing her talents quite inappropriately. And I must say, in the meantime, they have shrunk to about nothing. No. This show isn't about big effects, sex or stuff. It's about understanding human nature. Well, today I'm going to run the show by myself. Did I suggest that everyone should get an assistant? Well, forget that. When you most rely on them, they screw you. Who needs an assistant for simple tasks? It's just better if you check and make sure those things are okay, that you need them. Check with you. Here is the plug and here comes the electricity. Now up and up and across. It's not so tough. Any fool can plug in a plug. There we go. Now back to the. Ouch. I'm not the youngest flower anymore. However, it should be running. Yes, it's running. And who needs an expensive computer program if you can have a simple light bulb? Now, it's a little bit more work. However, it saves a lot of trouble if you work on your own. Now, it's not such a difficult thing. Damn it. Just take care of all the details. Make it your own project. None of this group process, fake hierarchies, things like that. No, no more. I cannot edit. I cannot edit this. Jesus. Now, if one of you is really good with computers, editing programs and such, and if you're looking for a job, well, I have this position open. I cannot do everything by myself. That's part of the human nature, you know. Now, I am looking for an assistant, and if any one of you is interested in the job, please make a short online application for me, a little video where I can see your skills and I'm sure your lovely personality. And yes, now I have to do this by myself. I can do it, of course.